Hello friends and welcome back to our channel Let the Cake Talk. In today's video I will show you the most amazing and beautiful collection of round cake designs in 1-tier and 2-tier cake designs. All the designs are very unique and trendy, and I'm sure you will get beautiful and amazing cake decorating ideas from this video. If you like any cake design, you can take screenshot of it. And if you want to see more cake design videos or cake decorating videos, you can please visit my channel. And also do try my amazing cake recipes. They are all very easy to make and absolutely delicious. I hope friends you like today's beautiful collection of cake designs. If you like the cake design, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your favorite design. I will see you tomorrow inshallah with a new video. Until then, please take care of yourself and the people around you.